Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a Caravelle New York by Bulova Lady Watch step by step. Let's dive right in. Use the tweezers to push the pin and release the strap in order to be able to open the back case. Insert the watch case opener under the edge of the back cover and gently twist to unclip it from the watch case. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or a tweezers to pull it out. With tweezers, gently extract the old battery, ensuring you avoid damaging the watch mechanism. Place the replacement battery into the same spot as the old one. Use your fingers to press it firmly into place, ensuring it aligns properly with the gasket. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into place. Before closing the case, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Place back the back plate in the same position and press it with your fingers. Place back the pin in the strap hole and position it with the spring bar tool. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.